This is another buddy with a 4.6 2-valve motor.
Edit. Okay, here we go. Kevin wanted me to kind of get her face, but that's going to be really hard to do here. Kevin's pre-staged. We're going to get up here. Oh, that guy knocked out top bulb. Kevin's in. Oh, Kevin had issues. Oh, dang it. Sorry, man. I messed that all up filming it. Oh, I'm going wrong. My bad. I'm terrible at this. Okay, he went like 860. Had trouble. Dang it.
rumble. Ooh, got that pain in my chest.
This is the only footage of the last pass with my daughter in the car because there was nobody to film that one, so it's just her filming herself with her phone. Alright guys, go easy in the comments now on the Silver Mustang. This was his first trip to the track, trying to get the car learned. And not to mention he had issues, so he didn't get any clean passes. There was a rear end clearance problem on the first pass, and shifter handle came off on the second pass. So let's take a look at those slips. First run I ran Kyle, missed third, managed to get it back in good enough to get a 788 out of it. Second run was with the Silver Mustang that you saw. I missed third about 3 times on that one, and managed to get it back in enough to just barely pull off the win. I mean, it was so close on the GoPro footage you almost can't even tell who won. It was his first trip to the track. Third run, I thought I was running him again. I didn't even look behind me, and it was a GTO instead. And sadly, that was the best pass of the day. Then I was running the Silver Mustang again and missed third 3 times. And I was giving my daughter a ride because she wanted to see what it was like to be in the car. And the last pass, I gave my daughter another ride and ran against Kyle again. So, 3 gear misses in old McNuggets last night. I guess I may have to adjust the clutch cable again. I don't know what the problem was. On my third pass, by the time I got to the end of the track to turn around, it was at 250 degrees. So I'm having the radiator issues in this thing come and go. It's crazy. And I can't exactly tell where it's leaking from. So I'm going to put a new radiator and a new catch can on it and just solve this issue. Getting sick of it. But of course, once I topped it off with water after the third pass, the last 2 passes it didn't overheat at all. So see, I never know when it's going to be an issue. We also didn't get a lot of filming done last night. The track had a lot of downtime, and the past couple of months the track prep's been killer, but last night it was a little off, but we still had a good time. And here's what we got going on today. Put another radiator in McNugget. Since I don't drive the car, I wasn't worried about getting anything real big or real nice. I just need to be able to hot lap some passes. So got Advanced Auto's cheapest with the online discount and speed perk bucks. I only paid $65 with tax. Alright, got the new radiator in. Modified the brackets a little bit to scoot the radiator further this way to make more room for the fan, because it was pretty tight fit between that pulley and the fan before, so more room better. And took a tiny little bit of weight off the front with that radiator as opposed to the old stock one. Good times, guys. So instead of working on this, finishing up the radiator and catch can install, I'm working on this. Yep, there's some stuff missing. Had to pull all this off just to get to the oil cooler so I can put a new one on, because I rebuilt this one 8,000 miles ago and it's leaking right here. So I didn't feel like putting up with it again. I just ordered a new one. And yes, look, that is a baby turbo. Look at that little bitty wheel. Alright guys, thanks for watching, subscribing, commenting, and the likes. We'll see you next time.